What you gonna show us today? The machine? Wow. See the uncle has made. Oh wow, it's a great machine. He gonna bring more tree from there. See how his machine is working. They are cutting the trees. After cutting the tree, they're bringing the bushes. They're bringing the branches of the trees to this machine, and he's coming. Wow. What you saying? Go over there? No, it's dangerous. We cannot go over there. See? This is how it works. He just gave a jump, and now he's fixing. Wow! See? You're gonna make something over there. The small pieces of the wood. This is how he's breaking the branches. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, this guy. Thank you. Say thank you, fashion worker. Not say that. Loudly.